Hi there, this is Karen and welcome to another Webster Tech Hub tutorial. In this particular one, we're going to cover a little section in word of mouth, which is quite a unique feature of this particular online directory. It's to do with reviews. So you can not only just share the link so people can come to your business listing to get reviews. So I'll show you how to do that. Just go to listing setup and you come across here. This is the link you would copy and paste into, say, an email or a Facebook post or a LinkedIn post that you're requesting for customers to come here and click on this, and that'll bring them straight to your public listing to leave a review. So that's the standard way of doing it. However, if you click on reviews, this particular directory, there's only a few others that offer this as well, but it allows you to submit reviews as well as request reviews directly from this platform. So while we personally here, we don't use request reviews very much, but we do use submit reviews. And what we do here is that when somebody has left us a 5-star review on a platform like the Google Maps or / Google My Business or on Facebook, we would like that review to be repeated in another location, i.e. our word of mouth listing. So what this allows us to do is actually fill this in on behalf of our customer. So we can type in things like our 5-star rating, the review that they've left. If you want, you can put an approximate price if that is part of your business model. You include your customer's first name, their last name, which is not published, as well as their email address. You can click on here to say, I confirm that this information provided here accurately represents, so on and so forth. Click on that little box. And then when you submit this review, what it's going to do is it'll actually send effectively an email notification to your customer asking for them to approve this review. So just to recap, if this is a review they've already sent you, there's a really good likelihood that they're going to accept this because you've made it super easy. They don't have to copy and paste anything. They don't have to click on any other links other than this verification link in the email. And we find that, for example, our reviews dashboard, out of 49 reviews that we have sent via this submit reviews method, we've had 34 of those customers confirm the listing. Another little extra add-on is if you have a customer who has already left you a review, however, on this platform, they haven't verified it, which means they haven't clicked on that link inside the email. You can come through and just click on resend verification. So this will send them another email notification as a reminder to see if they're happy to verify this listing for you. The moment it does, you'll receive an email confirming that this review is now live and your overall rating and your, based on X amount of reviews will increase accordingly. So that's it. Happy reviews collecting.